Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to showcase a brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk that we just unwrapped for you guys to see. So this boat is a new inventory piece. It is not sold. So if you are interested, please reach out. We will go quickly. So if you're interested, please come by and see it. So we've got this boat in the full hull glacier green hull color. And we did the chrome and silver graphics that we feel complements the boat extraordinarily. Did the rub rail with the white stainless steel insert. We did do the teak side steps. And as well as we move to the back, Carl will show you guys here this swim platform and that real teak. Absolutely beautiful. 3-rung ladder, standard there. We did power this one with the Mercury 115, so that is the upgrade on this particular boat. We have the aft jump seats. You can see these are easily removed. And people always ask, where do you put these things? Well, Whaler is very clever. It allows you to pivot these backrests, so you can store those nicely in the console. These bottoms remove as well, if you so choose to do so. I'll hop up in here. We do have the standard reversible helm seat, so we can put that in that lean and post position. Underneath, we have the live well option. So we did set this boat up with a fishing package and as well as package that with the live well. We have the 7-inch Raymarine touchscreen, GPS, navigation, all that fun stuff. Chart reader, the stereo with the Fusion stereo system with the JL speakers. We have 2 in the front, and then 2 right here in the back. So you have a total of 4 speakers on board, and that is a Bluetooth stereo. Cup holders, USB chargers, 12-volt charging system, all in place. At the front of this boat, we do have, like we mentioned, the fishing package. So you've got your rod rack, knife and plier storage there in the front, as well as our with removable cooler. We did opt this boat for the trolling motor package. So we got the trolling motor panel with the 12-volt charging as well, and deleted that bow rail and went with the low integrated bow rails. We have the dedicated storage in the front for fish box or dry storage. And then the other locker in the bow for our anchor locker. Sorry, let me secure that. That pivots, opens nice and easily. Also, one little thing we'll note in 2021's Boston Whaler is pairing the Fusion remote. This is a Bluetooth remote that goes directly to your stereo system to control that forward zone nice and easily. Moving to the back, we'll look at this jump seat as it is put in. I'll remove the other side, but you can see it's a very comfortable boat, extremely spacious back end and side to side. We have those standard high rails in the back. So we got nice and secure riding and transportation in the back here. We did pair this boat with the sun top. So there's the black sun top, and we have the black console cover and leading post cover that's stored down in the console. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour. Again, my name is Dotson Guys. We've got Carl Anderson behind the camera there. We're with MarineMax here in Charleston. If you guys have any questions or would like to come take a look at this boat, please reach us at 843-747-1889. And again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.